Are you tired of running alone or struggling to stay motivated? What if I told you there's a way to make running more fun, engaging, and effective? The answer? Join a running club. In this video, we'll break down the top reasons why joining a running club can transform your fitness journey. We'll explore the power of community, motivation, and expert guidance. Stick around because some of these perks may surprise you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned runner, joining a running club offers benefits that you can't get from running alone. Let's dive into why this could be your next best fitness move. Running can feel like a solo activity, but it doesn't have to be. In a running club, you gain access to a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for running. This sense of camaraderie turns running into something social and fun. I remember being nervous the first time I joined a club, but the welcoming community made all the difference. It pushed me to keep showing up, and I quickly realized that running in a group was so much more enjoyable than going it alone. You're not just running, you're sharing the experience with others, and that adds so much value. Having friends and training partners motivates you to stick to your goals. It's easier to stay committed when you're part of something bigger than yourself. Plus, you get to celebrate each other's achievements, big or small, which makes every run feel rewarding. We all know how easy it is to skip workouts when no one's counting on you. But in a running club, accountability is built in. When you know a group is expecting you, it's much harder to hit snooze on your alarm or skip that afternoon run. There were days I didn't feel like running, but knowing my group was out there waiting for me kept me going. And every time I showed up, I was grateful I did. The energy of the group makes all the difference. You push yourself harder than you would if you were running solo, and you feel a sense of accomplishment that's amplified by the support of your fellow runners. Consistency is key to improvement, and running clubs create the perfect environment to stay consistent. Plus, seeing others push themselves encourages you to push harder too. It's that little extra motivation we all need from time to time, especially on the tough days when you'd rather stay home. Most clubs also set goals or challenges as a group, like training for a race together, which gives you a shared mission and a reason to keep showing up. Whether it's a 5K or a marathon, having that shared goal keeps you focused and committed. Another major benefit of joining a running club is access to expert advice. Many clubs have experienced runners or certified coaches who can help you improve your running form, pace, and endurance, while also helping you prevent injuries. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, having guidance can make a huge difference. Sometimes a small adjustment to your form can prevent injury, or a tweak to your pace can help you conserve energy and run longer distances more efficiently. This kind of insight is something you often miss when you're running alone. Additionally, some clubs offer structured training programs, whether you're preparing for your first 5K, half marathon, or even a full marathon. You get a tailored plan with advice on when to rest, how to increase mileage safely, and tips on recovery. You're essentially training smarter, not harder, which leads to better results and fewer setbacks. Running clubs often offer a variety of running experiences to keep things exciting. From long-distance endurance runs to sprints, trail runs, or even interval training, you'll find a new challenge each week. The diversity in the types of runs helps you become a more well-rounded runner. Running the same route every day can get repetitive and lead to burnout. But in a club, you get to explore new running routes and terrains, which keeps things fresh and helps you develop different skills as a runner. For example, trail running might help you improve your balance, while intervals could boost your speed. You'll also have the chance to participate in fun runs and themed events, which adds a playful element to your training. It's a great way to mix things up and remind yourself that running can be enjoyable, not just a workout. We all know running is great for your physical health. It strengthens your heart, improves lung capacity, and helps maintain a healthy weight. But running with a group offers additional mental health benefits that you might not get from running alone. Being part of a group reduces feelings of isolation and boosts your mood, which is crucial for your mental health. Running releases endorphins, which can naturally improve your mood. Combine that with the social aspect of a running club, and you're left with a powerful way to reduce stress and boost your overall well-being. Running in a group also helps you stay disciplined and gives you a sense of belonging. You're part of a community that shares your goals and challenges, and that emotional support makes it easier to stick with your running routine, even on tough days. Running clubs offer far more than just a workout. They provide community, accountability, expert guidance, and variety that keeps you engaged. Plus, the mental and emotional benefits of running with a group are invaluable. Whether you're just starting or have been running for years, joining a club can take your fitness to the next level. So if you're ready to make running more fun, find a local running club and give it a try. You'll be amazed at how much it can enhance your experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fitness tips, and drop a comment below if you've already joined a running club or plan to join one soon.